Today you will assess your knowledge of water cycle locations and processes. So you're going to do this by creating a story of a water molecule. So you are a molecule of water in a raindrop, and you're asked to describe your journey from the raindrop through the water cycle. You're going to do this by completing the table. So you're going to describe 5 additional locations that you stopped along your journey. So the 5 locations are in addition to the raindrop. Then you're going to list the processes that took you to each stop and provide an image of the location or process for each stop on the journey. You can take your own pictures if you would like, or draw images, or you may use images from the internet. So to start, a molecule of water starts in a raindrop. There's no process for the first location because that's the beginning, and you'll just need to find an image that matches that location. In the next row, you're going to decide where the water goes after the raindrop. So there should be a sequence to your story. For example, you wouldn't want water starts in a raindrop and then it evaporates into a cloud. That doesn't really make as much sense as the water would go somewhere else by another process. So here's an example that you can look at. I already have it open. And at the top, there's a narrative that's written about the carbon cycle. You're not asked to write a narrative, but it's there if you want to look at it, if it's helpful. But based on that narrative, I pulled out locations and processes. So the first location is that a molecule of carbon dioxide starts in the leaf of a plant. Again, there's no process for the first step because that's where it starts. But I did provide an image of a tree because that's the plant that I chose. Carbon dioxide is then released into the atmosphere through the process of decomposition. So I wrote the process of decomposition next to it and provided an image that matches. Then over time, carbon is stored in the ground as a fossil fuel. So this process is called deposition, or it's being deposited. And carbon returns to the Earth's surface by the process of extraction. Again, I took out the process and put it in the next box along with a picture. And my last one is that the fossil fuel is used to power a car and returns to the atmosphere through the process of combustion. And again, I have the process in an image. So you are going to be writing a statement, a sentence, describing the location. And that can be as simple as what I have here. You just need to list the process and provide an image that matches either the location or the process. Okay, so this example is available to you. It's this hyperlink that's in your document. And of course, email your teacher if you have any questions. Good luck.